The DFP200R series of computer enclosures acts like a computer air filter, which keeps damaging airborne debris from entering your computer hardware. Our user-friendly NEMA-style positive pressure enclosures features a removable base for total equipment access and lift-off hinges on the front and rear doors. The fan and filter system is located on the rear door, which makes the footprint of the enclosure narrower than the DFP200F enclosure, while still having enough room for the same size computer. The physical size of the DFP200R works with numerous computers on the market. Our industrial tough ABS construction works great with wireless networks, and all of our enclosures come with a 5-year warranty. Don't see what you're looking for? Give us a call at 800-775-7611 or email us at sales@dustfreepc.com. We will work to build a custom enclosure for your specifications.